In this video, we'll explore the national parks of Western India. The states we are going to cover are Gujarat, Rajasthan and Maharashtra. Starting with Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 6 national parks ranging from urban forest to tiger reserves in the Vidarbha and Sahyadri ranges. First one, Chandoli National Park. Chandoli lies in the Western Ghats and along with Koyna Wildlife Sanctuary, it forms the Sahyadri Tiger Reserves. Interestingly, the Koyna River flows here, creating the Shivsagar and Koyna reservoirs. The vegetation that's included here are moist deciduous forest with teak, jamun and karanj as special trees. The wildlife one can see here are tiger, leopard, gaur, sloth bear, sambar and even blackbuck. From UPSC, remember that this Chandoli forms the catchment area of Krishna River because Koyna River passes through this. Next national park is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, also known as Borivali National Park, Mumbai. This park lies right inside the Mumbai city, making it one of the world's rarest urban national parks with free roaming leopards. It also contains ancient Kanheri Buddhist caves carved in the basalt rock. The fauna included are leopard, cheetah, rhesus macaque, palm, civet and Indian flying squirrel. Next up, we have the Tadoba Andhari National Park Tiger Reserves. Tadoba in the Chandrapur district is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. It combines Tadoba National Park with Andhari Wildlife Sanctuary. The water bodies here are Tadoba Lake and Irai Reservoir, which also support Magga crocodile. The next national park is Gugamal National Park, also known as Melghat Tiger Reserve. It is located in the Satpura hills of Amravati. Gugamala is part of Melghat Tiger Reserves and forms the catchment for 5 rivers including Sipna and Gadga, which flow into Tapi River Basin. The animals found here are tiger, leopard, sloth bear, chausinga, nilgai and rhesus macaque. Next up, we have the Navegaon National Park and Tiger Reserve. Navegaon in the eastern Vidarbha along with Nagzira and Koka Wildlife Sanctuary form Navegaon Nagzira Tiger Reserve. It is famous for Navegaon Lake, which attracts migratory waterfowl. This national park is Maharashtra's richest bird site. Nearly 60% of state's bird species including storks, duck and eagles are found here. Now let's move into Gujarat. Gujarat has 4 national parks, each unique from lions and grassland to coral reefs. First one, Vansda National Park. The Vansda National Park is in South Gujarat along the Ambika River. It lies at the northern end of the Western Ghats. The forests here are moist deciduous, ones so dense that sunlight barely touches the ground. Important flora includes teak, bamboo and sesame. The wildlife includes leopard and Malabar civet squirrel, which is elsewhere found only in Western Ghats. It is also famous for 4-horned antelope, also known as chausinga. Next up is an important national park known as Gir National Park. Gir in the Kathiawar Peninsula is world's famous as the last natural home for Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions, remember guys, is endangered species. The Hiran River flows here with Kamleshwar Dam, often called the lifeline of Gir. Vegetation is mainly dry deciduous forest. Alongside lions, Gir also shelters leopard, chausinga, chinkara, blackbuck and reptiles like Maggar crocodile. The next national park is Blackbuck National Park. It is located in the Bhavnagar district close to Gulf of Khambat. This park represents India's savanna grassland ecosystem. The star species is blackbuck, once on the brink of extinction, now protected in large herds. It also has wolves, striped hyenas and lesser florican, which is critically endangered bustard. This makes Velvadar a key site for mammals and grassland birds. The last national park is the Marine National Park, also known as Gulf of Kutch. The Marine National Park in Jamnagar was India's first marine national park. It covers 42 islands in Gulf of Kutch with ecosystems like coral reefs, mangroves and mudflats. Flagship fauna include dugong or sea cow, dolphins, marine turtles like green turtle and olive ridley turtles. From UPSC, it is only site in India where coral reefs and mangroves exist side by side. Now let's go to the state of Rajasthan. Rajasthan has 5 national parks ranging from tiger habitats to desert landscapes and world famous wetlands. First up is Mukundra Hill National Park and Tiger Reserve. It lies in the Hadoti Plateau, formerly the Darra Wildlife Sanctuary. The key animals found here are tiger, leopard, sloth bear, cheetal, and it forms part of Chambal River Basin. Next up is Desert National Park. It is spread across Jaisalmer and Bama districts in Rajasthan, and it is one of the India's largest parks protecting the fragile Thar Desert ecosystem. The terrain includes sand dunes, thorny bushes and Sevan grasslands. The star species of Desert National Park is the Great Indian Bustard, which is critically endangered and Rajasthan state bird, also UPSC's favorite. Other animals include chinkara and desert fox. Next up, we have Ranthambore National Park and Tiger Reserve. Ranthambore in Savai Madhopur lies where Aravali and Vindhya hills meet. Rivers such as Banas flow in the north and Chambal River flows in the south. The vegetation includes dry deciduous forest, and star species are tiger, one of India's most photographed big cat. Other animals include leopard, nilgai, sambar and mugger crocodile. Next up, we have Sariska National Park and Tiger Reserve. Sariska is in Alwar district, Aravali Hills. It made history as the first national park where tigers were relocated from another reserve in 2008. Wildlife includes tiger, leopard, golden jackal and rhesus macaque. This park is often cited in UPSC for tiger relocation case study. Finally, we have Keoladeo Ghana National Park in Bharatpur. This is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site as well as a Ramsar wetland. It is a man-made freshwater wetland created by diverting waters from Gambhir and Banganga rivers. It is famous as a bird paradise. It is famous for migratory Siberian crane, which is now extinct in India, and Saras crane, along with ducks, geese and storks. Mammals include cheetal, sambal, blackbuck and hog deer. From UPSC, it is one of the few man-made wetlands designated as World Heritage Site. This marks the end of the 3 important national parks. Now, a few questions. Which is the only habitat of Asiatic lion? Answer is Gir National Park, Gujarat. Which is India's first marine national park? Answer is Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. Which is the national park famous for Great Indian Bustards? Answer Desert National Park of Rajasthan. Which is a Ramsar site with Siberian and Saras crane found there? The answer is Keoladeo Ghana National Park. That's it from these 3 states. In the next video, let's go through the Eastern Indian national parks. Thank you.